I would request all my students to put their microphones on and give a hearty applause to my
Congratulations,
champion,
Yeah, happy for
so
you.
much. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Now, Theresa, I have muted all of you. Where are you? Only you can talk now. Come. You put your
Congratulations.
Okay, now all of you put your mics off, and only Theresa put your mic on. Hold on, Theresa. Put your mic on. Put your mic on. Your mic is off.
Okay. I want to say a big thank you to Mr. Ambrish. He has really, I've never seen a teacher like you before.
Thank you, Theresa. Your net is weak. I'm sorry, but your voice is breaking up. But carry on. Try to go in a place of the room where the net is strong. Your net is weak. Your voice is breaking up. We've lost Theresa.
This year, and I failed it. So I called him. He said to take another date again and try again. And now try it again. I passed this one today. As in, I was just screaming on. Even I have headache now. My head is banging. My head is aching me. I've been shouting, screaming, even at the hall, at the place there. I have been screaming. I'm so happy. Like,
okay, there were screams of joy. You must say screams of joy, because we don't know why you're screaming.
Joy. Yeah, I was saying that I can't. That me having this thing today. I've worked so hard for this. I've tried for this.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to even put the words.
Okay. No, Theresa, last night when we did quiz together, and I told you, you go think of this and do this in the night time before you go to sleep. And this morning, when we did the quiz together this morning at 6:30, and the information, but of course, I give you information, you were ready. So all this helped you to be ready, or was it anything?
Yes, your advice helped me a lot. The quiz we did together this morning and yesterday evening, it really helped me a lot. So when I got to the exam hall today, I was like, all the questions that came outside, there was no hard one, like all the patente category, Aduwe, no, did not come outside today. So I was so happy with the questions that came today. I was able to face it. So I want to say thank you to you. A big thank you. I will not forget you. I'll tell my friends about you. I will tell in fact, anybody I know. I'll tell them about you.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Told me your platform.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Theresa. And I'm happy that you passed, and the biggest hurdle is away. Now you don't have to worry about learning all the theory and all. You never have to do it. You've finished.
Now I'm free.
Yes, now you're free.
Yes.
And now, when 4 days before your exams of the practical test, give me a call. I will send you material for you to learn for just 4 days before the practical test. And then on the exam day, you need to hear my voice 2 hours before that. I will prepare you mentally that you'll pass in the first try. Because if you don't pass in the first try, the autoscola will sell you another 10 hours, which is another 500 euros to make you drive more before they let you pass. So, okay. All right, Theresa. Thanks a lot. We are very proud of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.